5. Man's been working 24/7, of course, doing his regular day and working on his personal project. The show is Sunday, and today is Friday.
Yeah, and
so
we're halfway.
Halfway done.
Honestly, we really are. But the wrap's getting fairly close. I mean, the last few days, you guys have seen the progress. We did the hood, the trunk, fender, passenger door, the front bumper, finished up the side skirts. And we have a good game plan today. We're gonna do the roof. We're really trying to get the wrap pretty much finalized today in terms of the big body panels. And then we're gonna come through and do all the little fine detail work, you know, our stripping, our inside our door jams and stuff of that nature. And then the fun starts to happen. We get to put the wheels back on. We get to test our spacers.
Yeah, and the wheels are looking beautiful. Those the center caps.
We got the center caps in, which took forever. Had those refinished. And then we get to paint the calipers. We get to put our carbon pieces on that we've been talking about.
It's completely transformed. Like this color is giving the car a different.
Very.
I don't really know how to explain it.
I don't know. All I know is it looks badass. It's very. If you saw this going down the road, you're not going to know what it is.
Yeah.
And if you didn't have this Mercedes logo on the hood, you would not know what this is at all.
I kind of agree with that because I mean, you know, obviously know 190E pretty well, and it's starting to take a new shape or a new look.
It's definitely taking a new shape. It's looking a little bit more modern in some aspects, but you still got that 80s to 90s feel on the body. And you know, we're just putting our touch on it. Yeah, there's not much more I can say until you guys see it finished.
Yeah. All right.
You guys will have to make your own judgment.
Yeah. We'll be back for Saturday.
Saturday fine details. Saturday is going to be a long day of just getting everything on point.
So we still got 2 more 190s, and now we're talking about maybe doing an Evo package. So it seems pretty hot right now. We got a 16 valve that needs redone, and we're going to talk about it.
Yeah, another 16 valve that's black, and you know, it's a little bit rough around the edges, but I think putting an Evo package on it would make that baby right.
And then the other thing I didn't know, they showed me pictures. We got an old C230 hanging around, and man, we saw some body kits for that thing.
They got wide body kits for those now.
I mean, that's a low-cost car. It's fun to drive, and the body kit is just insane on that car.
Yeah, body kit, some wheels, fresh wrap. If you got some good bones, we can make that happen.
Yeah. Am I gonna make that? Yeah, you got it. Yeah, give me a second.